Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make your ClickUp workspace fit your exact needs without paying? In this video, I'll show you how to customize columns, layouts, filtering, and sorting using only the free plan. First, let's customize columns in a table view. Open any list in table view and hover over the column headers. You'll see you can click, drag to reorder them, and even click the arrow to hide or show specific columns. You can't add custom columns in this view on the free plan, but you can control which ones are visible. Now, layouts. You can switch between list, board, and calendar views for free to see your tasks the way you want. You can even create multiple views of the same list with different layouts. For filtering, click the filter button in any view. You can add multiple filters for free, like showing only tasks assigned to you that are due this week. You can filter by status, assignee, due date, and custom fields. Sorting is also free. Click the Sort button to organize your tasks by due date, priority, or any custom field you've created. The key is to create a filtered and sorted view you love, then save it. Click the view name and select Save as New View. Give it a name like iUrgent Tasks. Now, this customized view is just one click away. And that's it. With these free customization tools, you can build a ClickUp workspace that works exactly the way you do. If you create a cool custom view, let me know how you set it up in the comments. See you in the next one.